This video is part of a series which introduce a new advanced analysis capability for frequency domain response and fatigue. There are 8 videos, of which this is the 4th one, describing the more flexible loads available in CAEfatigue vibration. The severe restrictions on the type of loads that can be applied in the frequency domain was, perhaps, the biggest obstacle to the wider use of frequency domain response and fatigue calculations. The CAEfatigue vibration product has a very flexible procedure for applying mixtures of both deterministic and random loads as shown here. This is a summary of the different types of loading available, including random, random plus harmonic, random plus narrowband, sine sweep, simultaneous sines, and consecutive sines. These are the more important load situations. Multiple correlated load inputs will be included in release 2. This shows the derived damage result for a random PSD plus a mean load plus a sine sweep. You can see here that we have a damage plot which is a function of frequency. So effectively we've done a series of calculations for a superimposed sine wave at a particular frequency, and here we see the resultant damage as a function of frequency. This shows the derived damage result for a random PSD plus a mean load plus a superimposed narrowband sweep. Again, we have similar results, again showing the damage as a function of frequency, and we're also showing the pattern plot of damage at one particular frequency. This is a more straightforward result for the damage resulting from a straightforward sine sweep with no underlying random load. Again, we're showing the damage as a function of sine wave frequency here. And finally, one of the more typical Mill handbook loading cases, the derived damage result for a random PSD plus a mean load plus superimposed harmonics. In this case, 4 harmonics at 5, 10, 15 and 20 Hertz. In this case there is no concept of sweeping the load, so we have a single result, and so we're seeing the pattern result for that combined load case. The CAEfatigue vibration product is currently available from any of these 3 companies. Please check our website www.caefatigue.com for updates to this list.